Good morning. Nice beautiful morning here. There's Holly walking back from getting a shower at the facilities here at the marina. We're actually thinking about going in for sail today. A little bit of wind, not too much, but yeah, we're pretty close to being done and ready. We had a few little jobs here, but not too serious. So I just want to go out and play around and get used to see what the boat does. We were out a couple days ago and it was not much wind, so we didn't get much used to it. So anyways, we're strictly on our own solar power here right now. So some of the systems we're using, we have our 2,000 watt inverter over here, four batteries under here, 12 volt. We got 12.4 volts showing there. So all of our cooler there, freezer here is it's all running, no problem, day and night. And then we're using the air fryer instead of using our propane, and then we got the hot plate for so that's what we're doing. We're boiling the kettle on. We're using this power because that's replaceable. Hey Holly, just getting back from your wash?
Yes.
Were you a dirty girl?
No.
We had a hot day yesterday. I mean, it was hot out, so we're having another hot one today. So I think we're going to be on the water today for this one. So that's what we're going to do. We got a dinghy. We got a new motor mount back there on the rail for the dinghy motor, so it's not too heavy on the davits. And so yeah, we're 95% ready to go across the strait. I think we're just going to go out and play around with some navigation stuff and play around the wind. Yeah, so it's quite a bit of breeze on our back. We're gonna be on our back going out, looks like, but oh well. Beautiful morning. Yep, our safety lines, our jack lines are on there. Yeah, we're gonna bring the scooters in, put them on our beds, I think. Satellite radio stuff is not working, so we're gonna take that in. We don't have our stereo on the board here, is not picking it up. So whisker pole, we'll put that inside. We don't have any fuel in there, but we're gonna leave the cans there. That's our two scooters from when we get to anywhere, so we need wheels. So we're gonna bring them inside when we're sailing. So there's the water this morning. This looks pretty good. We might have to motor back in rather than tack, but that's okay. They're gonna be putting some boats out here today in the marina, so it's probably a good time to get out of here. Mind you, Saturdays, we're gonna be doing some stuff Saturday. We'll be here for that, so. Anyway, that's an update. We'll update as we get underway. We just got underway. We're going to just got our way. Holly's captain right now, or no,
I'm not.
No, just taking over.
I'm not.
Yeah, so we're going out. Yeah, we just left the marina there, so we're just doing some getting everything battened down here and checked.
She grabbed the radios.
I got the radio there. See here. we're just getting a little bit of port there, Holly. A little bit of port, please.
Okay.
So keep between the buoy and the coastline, what you can see there. Okay. When we get down past all this, we'll put some sails up. What?
It's not a boat, it's that thing.
Yeah, it's that big pier or whatever it is.
Sunscreen. Can I open this?
What?
Can I roll this up?
Yeah, you can. Go on. Yeah, so there's the ferries. Okay, so that was a friendly, we just had a visit from that fishing boat there. He come up alongside and said, hey, you're getting close to Cop. So this part of the bay is very full of lobster pots and fishing nets and whatever. So we got to get over to the shipping lane. Hey Holly, that was good, friendly, because we thought we were getting close. We actually went between two buoys. We're doing 4.5 knots, almost 5 knots here now. So he says we're good, but I see some boats over there. But so now we were wing on wing, but now we're just good old-fashioned sailing there now. Hey?
Yep.
You're cutting your fingers off your gloves because you thought it was cool.
Because no, it
Your dollar store gloves.
Yeah.
I got the auto helm on there because Holly is not familiar yet with what's going on. But anyways,
It'll come.
yeah. So we're doing pretty good here. Just come up front and check things. Yeah. So we have some boats over there. Yeah, we should be good. Cutting through pretty good. Oh, that's not bad. A little bit bad there. So a little bit slack on our lines, but not too bad. I think we got her tuned pretty good. You know what I mean? We haven't got a big wind on her, but I think we're tuned pretty good. Okay. Alright. Okay, so now we're almost 5 knots in this air we got here now. So full mainsail, full head sail going. I just struck 5 knots there then. So we're doing good. So this is a good test for us today. We'll stay out. It's really 27 inland, so there's no better place to be is on the water. So yesterday we were at shore just getting some stuff buttoned up on the boat, you know, chores and stuff. And I just wanted to be out there so bad. There's hardly any wind, but now we got a good wind. Good wind. So yeah, we see some fishing boats. We were 85 degrees headed towards magnetic north, if anybody cares. Auto helm is on, working well. Oh, here we are, bobbing around. Not bobbing, we're moving. Well, 4.5, 5 knots. All these sightseeing there. Look for birds or something. Ferry is over yonder, coming up on us. Still see land, but barely. It's out, I don't know, out a few miles. So that's the Leif Erikson, Newfoundland to Nova Scotia ferry, the Leif Erikson. The last time I was on that one years ago, 10 years ago probably or more, almost 20. I got sick, so I don't like that ferry. How do you know what? Well, it's showing up on my AIS here. I can see what it is.
Oh, it says Leif Erikson?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I knew it was Leif Erikson. I seen this morning when we were leaving.
Oh.
Yeah. So we're gonna whip around after we pass this, and she's getting along about 15 knots. She's about 3 times the speed we're going, of course. And yeah, so far so good. It's a bit bobby out here because we're going down. We're going with the wind. So looks like we're hardly moving, but 4 to 5 knots. Okay, so we're heeled over. What's it say for degrees in there on the meter? 10 degrees. Oh shit! Look at this. Here, maybe get that boat up higher.
Can you put it on auto helm? Does that work? What do you need me to do? Okay, let's get this straightened out first. Get hold that.
just lock it and let it go. Okay, that was a real life scary moment. We had a little mishap, a big mishap actually. And we broke our davit, almost lost our dinghy, and our solar panels are hanging off. So yeah, we got some repairs to do. Our 2x4 broke, our 2x6 that goes across. So yeah, where are we going? Our boat, our dinghy started filling up with water. The dinghy started filling with water and we're sailing. It got heavier and heavier until it broke off. So not good, not good. That was a bad decision, I guess. And we got a pretty good wind on now out here too. So anyways, we're steaming back slowly. Everything's good. The dinghy's a little heavy, a little bit of water in it. But I guess we should have drug it behind us instead of lifting it. Or maybe I had it too low when we turned around. The waves were splashing. So anyways, there's our davit's broken off. So at least we still got it. Didn't go to the bottom. That's what I was afraid of, because you can't replace that, right? We got her in. So here's to assess the damage. Snapped her right off. She wasn't the best of health anyways, that board. So yeah, that's what we ended up with. So anyways, it wasn't life threatening or nothing, but it was a little bit of a scare, I gotta say, when it snapped off. Oh yeah, and then the stainless part here broke. That was already repaired once. There was a different pipe in there. There was already looking at that, it wasn't much meat left there. It was already welded and ground down. So yeah, I gotta get something. We'll put the two pieces together and put a piece inside now. So should be fine. Anyways, got too heavy. A little bit of water splashing the dinghy. Got too heavy, and that's what we ended up with. So I gotta dismantle all this now. I'm gonna take all this apart and start over. I'm gonna replace this beam across here too. The one, I'm gonna copy that, make a new one. So anyhow, fun times. It's all about learning. So but she held up. She did good in the wind. We had her up to what, 5-6 knots going at certain times. We're sailing downwind, and then we turned into the wind, and boy, she really was starting to whistle. And that's what happened. That's when all this happened. So anyways, I had to tame her down a bit. She was wanting to go. So yeah, so just an update. Stay tuned, more to come.